Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as we embark on a captivating journey through time, quite literally. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating history of one of humanity's most ingenious creations, the clock. Picture this. You're an ancient Egyptian, basking in the scorching sun, pondering how to organize your day of pyramid building and Nile worshipping. Suddenly, inspiration strikes. Why not use the sun's shadow to tell time? And so, around 1500 BCE, the sundial was born. Simple yet revolutionary, this timekeeper was our first baby step into the world of punctuality. Fast forward to ancient Greece and China around 400 BCE. They were the clever minds behind clepsydra, or water clocks. Imagine a couple of bowls and a dribbling stream of water. Voila, a clock. Time trickled away as water flowed from one container to another, cleverly marked with graduations. But wait, the plot thickens. In the 14th century, enter the mechanical clock, the granddaddy of them all. This contraption used gears, weights, and an escapement to regulate time. Enormous and majestic, it often adorned church towers, bellowing the hours for all to hear. In medieval Europe, knowing when to storm the castle or feast with the king became a matter of impeccable timing. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the 17th century witnessed a game changer, the pendulum clock, a creation that could make a metronome jealous. Christiaan Huygens, the Dutch scientist, gave birth to this masterpiece. Picture a swinging pendulum, tirelessly counting off the seconds with impeccable precision. Tick-tock, tick-tock, the heartbeat of time itself. But the clock's evolution was far from over. It was time for timekeepers to get personal. The 17th and 18th centuries saw the emergence of pocket watches and, eventually, wristwatches. No more excuses for being fashionably late. You could now carry time right on your person. Fast forward again to the 19th and 20th centuries, where clocks received a digital makeover. Quartz crystal clocks and atomic clocks emerged, providing us with unprecedented accuracy. These technological marvels made it possible to sync our lives down to the nanosecond. And so, dear friends, you now hold in your hands a timeless tale of ingenuity and innovation. From sundials to atomic clocks, the history of timekeeping has been a roller coaster ride of human creativity. Clocks have kept us on track, synchronized our lives, and made sure we never missed a beat. So next time you glance at your wristwatch or check your smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of clockmaking wizardry that brought us to this very point in time. After all, time may be fleeting, but the story of the clock is one that will endure for generations to come. Tick-tock,